Hi, I'm Governor Dvbs. Do you know that Ilocos Sur is so rich in cultural heritage and living treasures, which we are now preserving and reviving? President Elpidio Quirino is from this town, Kawayan, which is also famous for its hand-woven fabric called abel. Way back during the galleon trade, do you know that the abel fabric was used as a boat sail? That's how old the industry is. Cabugao is also known for its ethnic design bamboo craft. Here in the town of San Ildefonso, Basi Revolt happened in 1807. This big Basi battle marks a spot where you can buy the best sugarcane wine called Basi. We have two kinds of Basi. The red one, sweet, and the white one is bitter. Naimas. Everything starts with this palm called buri. With a little bit of imagination and ingenuity, look at the end product. It's world class. One of the traditional craft here in Vigan is the jar making called burnay. The products of Tandon, which is kalamay and chichacorn, are the best pasalubong or gift. And I'll show you how to eat kalamay. You open the plastic, then you fold it, then another fold for a bite-sized kalamay. Naimas! Your stop in Vigan is not complete without tasting the famous empanada. This is the town of San Vicente. It is famous for its woodcraft, especially its beautifully carved furnitures. The best garlic in the Philippines is found here in the town of Sinaid, which is considered the garlic center of the north. Do you want to taste the best handmade noodles with nutritious malunggay? We have it here at the town of Cabugao, which is also known as the Boracay of the North and the Waikiki of the Philippines. Here in San Juan, they also make a native delicacy called opia. Bolo making dates back during the time of Gabriela Silang, and she used this weapon against the Spaniards. When you get a haircut, do you ever wonder where the scissors comes from? Well, some of the best comes from the town of San Juan. Squash is rich in beta-carotene, which is good for your eyesight. Here in Santo Domingo, they make squash noodles. Let's go healthy! During the early days, San Esteban was known for their portal and pestle, also known as the almeres, and they used this for pounding garlic. And they also produce the gilingan or the local grinder. Another famous product here in San Esteban is the Piedra Filipina, which is used for outdoor flooring. This is the traditional way of extracting sugarcane juice. Here in Santa Maria, they're famous for their sugarcane products. They have the sugarcane vinegar and the sugarcane candy. Before, tinubong was only made during the holidays. But now, because of the high demand, it's now produced all year round in town of Santo Domingo and Magsingan. This is where they make the world-famous vegan tiles. There's a lot of different kinds of longganisa here in the Philippines, but nothing compares with the vegan longganisa. And you can also have the longganisa burger. And how about the longganisa salad with fresh tangige? Another popular cuisine here in Ilocos Sur is the famous bagnet. And it is so tasty that you can use it with other dishes like the bagnet and bagoong, and the bagnet sinigang with fresh vegetables. Manganta yon. So, that's just some of the living treasures we have. Come, discover and experience the total vacation package here in Ilocos Sur.